you've heard of 3D printing, but what goes into ensuring the safety of that 3D printed structure? Let's learn more. Tor, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Hi, I'm a first-year industrial systems engineering student, and my research consists of monitoring, detecting, and then ultimately mitigating internal and external defects throughout the concrete 3D printed process. Most traditional research with concrete 3D printing out there is very small scale, so very controlled environments. However, the process doesn't allow for large aggregates, which are found in concrete, to be printed. And while the research definitely helps in the mortar realm, it doesn't really pertain to concrete 3D printing. In concrete, specifically concrete 3D printing with large aggregates, there's nothing essentially out there in terms of research. So understanding how and where these defects form and how to mitigate these throughout the print can allow for better control, better prediction throughout the printing process.
So why is this important?
So concrete 3D printing is traditionally done with casting techniques where giant forms are created out of plywood, steel, other materials. This forming process takes about 70% of standard construction time on the work site, and then is also 30 to 50% of the overall concrete cost. So having a 3D printer that can precisely extrude a filament of concrete in a controlled manner without the use of forms is really essential for not only cost, but material and labor that might occur.